thought that dreams belonged to other men. 'Cause each time I got close, they'd fall apart again.
I feared my heart would beat in secrecy. I faced the nights alone. Oh, how could I have known that all my life I only needed you? Oh, almost paradise. We're looking on heaven's door. Almost paradise. How could we ask for more? I swear that I can see forever in your eyes. Paradise.
It seems like perfect love, so hard to find. I'd almost given up. You must have read my mind.
And all these dreams I save for a rainy day, they're finally coming true. I'll share